No, the returning officer is the man with the EC jacket, the blue jacket. Here he is declaring the results. And I think we can listen to
that's the NDC candidate.
that is the NDC candidate Christopher Bayre, who was trying to attack the returning officer. I don't know whether he's a boxer, but he's the man who had wanted to be the. So let's listen to the returning officer. As soon as he ended, the NDC organizer attempted to snatch the microphone from his. So if anybody says that there was no declaration, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen it. This is the evidence that the returning officer declared the results. And I think by convention, parliamentary results are declared at the constituency level. So as I said, we have an elected member of parliament, Honorable Martin Ajayi Mensah Kosa. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see the light on for me? My eyes are going. The NDC claims that we used the soldiers to overturn the results. In other words, they said that we brought a lot of soldiers there to intimidate their people. Of course, they are the national security. They have to protect national officers doing their legitimate work. But I must state that if there was any incident, and I hear 2 people died, rather unfortunate, they are our brothers, and we don't want that to happen to anyone. But I think if there's anybody to be blamed, then we must blame the NDC party chairman, Nuhu Fawa, the parliamentary candidate, Bayre, and that man Bin Laden guy. They were the ones who invited their people to troop to the station. In between the announcement of the results, they came out to urge their people to attack. So even as we were leaving the hall, they were rushing on us. Sadly, my MP fell. I had to lift him up, and we had to be guarded by our guys to enter a car, and we were whisked away. At this time, these guys attempted to strike at the military. Whatever happened there happened behind us because we had left. The rest, we all saw it on television. I think we have to condemn the leaders who did that. In addition, the media cannot be left out. There's a station in Techiman called Akina Radio. It's owned by one NDC financier. They kept announcing fake results right from the time that the polls ended. They kept announcing the NDC had won, the NDC had won. So they were telling people to troop to the polling center, the collation center. Sadly, even the normal convention of not campaigning the day before election was broken by this radio station. They are also to be blamed for the unfortunate incident that happened in Techiman. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to state once again that we as a party or even as our elected MP had nothing to do with the deployment of security men at the polling station on that day. My candidate only came there in the morning to greet the staff and later came there for the announcement of the results. That was all, and we left immediately after that. I want to tell the general public that Techiman is a very peaceful city to live. It's the NDC that is causing trouble there. Post that incident, we are told that they have invited some of their thugs from Abu Boko. They have all assembled in Techiman now, trying to unleash mayhem on the citizens of Techiman. I'm calling our defense ministers, our interior ministers, our national security to take note of what is happening in Techiman. 2 days ago, we had their boys shooting in the market, threatening market women, driving people away. We cannot allow this to go on unchecked. So by this, we are calling on all peace-loving Ghanaians to condemn what is happening. And I think they are taking a cue from the former president, who, instead of calling them to order, is urging them on to do this. I think it's uncalled for. We are peace-loving, and we'll try and maintain peace. But there's a limit to what we can take. At this juncture, I want to once again congratulate the president on his re-election, and I also want to congratulate our MP-elect. I want to also reiterate that we have all the pink sheets. MPP, we have all the pink sheets. If you have time, like we're waiting for a car, I was going to display them to you. We have all the pink sheets. We have all our pink sheets. So anybody who claims that we don't have our pink sheets is lying. Because if you remember, yes. Even at the collation center, when the electoral commission were looking for pink sheets, they were consulting us. Because we managed to gather all our pink sheets few hours after close of polls. As you can see, if we are to count them one by one, you see that we have all our pink sheets here. So, we want to thank you for coming, and God bless you, and God bless our home nation, Ghana. Thank you. Okay. Abujafo ina Mama Kwaba. Techiman MPP constituency, Techiman South constituency for na yabai. The ma eba ina ne say NDC for ayewura jo mama da omano aye press conference akikan sembi agu MPP for so. Eno na yeba say yeba be yano. Nsema mo kan bi say Techiman yabobo abano ira soja fo bebrebe gu ho a na edi hunu na NDC fo omosa ka say abato na yeto ye ne yanye collation ze kika amana bom no yanye bi wo Techiman omosa ka say yeto abano wi en kwa no electoral commission ankyere de adi nkunima na de adi ncho ena omosa ka say yere soja fo ebe ye awurikaseme wo Techiman de yekan na ne say eyentro na Ghana fo nyina moma ye mongu senti ayeka ne say babia na yekan aba no eye babia na bono is region yekan yaba ho ana yede all the constituencies aba no yede ba sa bia na so na ye Techiman South constituency yekan ye coalition me hu ze me yekan twem anyway enti said ye abato ho adwuma bia yede abambo for ko no na hia say national security for ma abambo abaho na mu nyina mo be ya adwen se ba bia NDC for wo bia de aya na urukasa mo ho enti mpo se nyese de ye sa de na be hia se de abambo bako ampa ansa na de be chi no your radio station bo Techiman ye frena Kina FM NDC for kwotena ha ko ye de da se abato no ya omaweni ya to abawie na sima don hwimi no kra mai ana omo kwantan kan ensanya nka mpinji omo na so so omaweni de omo nkrofo nyina mra ba bia ya giga aba no obusafo okoduru ho a eho nipa dompem dede ekoso ho no onya ba bi kwa na wafa eni ntina abambo dwumadiefo no ehu ze behia ze omama asrafo abaho asrafo abaho no enye me ana me candidate ana me MP ato abayi no Honorable Matia Jemensa Kosa. No, na dear sir for Kobabi. Ye war police for, a soldier for, national security for, mo yes, Jumano, to Mona yes, Jumano. And this was some of my be on his head. Abanuka, young kind, and so young truckers here pa. Sent Yakazan said, Dana na yakin Abanu Muno, yet the TV Cassia could see ho. Anna, yet the TV Cassia be see a bontain. Tinyama cause what them one yano, Nipper Bontin, no more can also. Almost I see no mocking kind, dear Bobby Adia, Nabato TV, no so, no beer here. Ye do by Bina and this for say, yen yai, if you say, Omo pink cheese or more, Nina Yamai. Ye can ya could see say, Omo pink cheese by my trousseau. Nekodu by Bino, return of no, electoral commission for no ever catch and say, your pink cheese by you to be a while, Omo Sanyanka, if you say, Omo returning officer, I'm coming, presiding officers in your mind. They bet me the bar, young party for no, you bet me the pink sheet in a bar, can bet me their trouser, Yajumano, and this is for say, Omuni be a hawk. I was therefore, some ran on that letter commission for no, at the number be able to figure be able to screen no soa. Now, just say, yea, candidate, Honorable Matia Jemensa Cosa, Edio money. And your moons are muddy, pink sheet in the banner, the trouser, Abania winnie. The end is was a omni pink seat in the be. Yet now, hope you're not, you know, be see at the chair, ye train, almost among my letter commission, and you saw me before the end. Now, at the acting, now, Bonon do Baku, do me a no. None of the day call their cause or Nipana would do money, your friend Ben Laden. Do you know the Amazon Mohammed of Yambasimo? Now, the Subans are not here. Sandy Payanos, I could because Yanya collation, also now di Modianim. About bed me and do back, don't know. On one side, I say, I fed your Mozaka pink seat, no. Yet I say, my yes, I shall say, you at the end of Twasso. A quaka bakua. Now, when you say, honey, yang, a hens of DHS, and no ye, baby, honorable Martin, when yet the Kanwa, a best say, Omunia Manginano, and this was a pink seat on Omunis are pink seat, no, and John my fan count. Now, let our commission soon this are pink seat, if you say, Omo officer now or day prince it in the bar collection center and this work of bono as any near money now. And the letter commission for catcher and says a party for no your prince it and famra. Yet by. As I tell for the one is a prince it and so near be the draw a carbon seat. Did your mansion or my tibia my a letter commission for no who say prince it now they are crying a papa. No man they can't home. Or they can't wanna. Omoye Bruni Bakaze I'm kind of simple. You can't hear about kind of saying collation, some tabulation no Hamoye now the other day figure no about two figure about two hono na a chair and say yeah candidate Honorable Matia Jemensa Cosa wa win no about also na MPP 49,000 I am Martin Jemensa Kosa 49,682 and this is for candidates no 49,205 and your budget is so demo then so we did a ma among 40 whom I did any fever and this is one penny for who's ano Omupia Bonte for Frau Moncroft say I didn't call ye. Njomumfa bumbo enra demo. Edu samno electoral officer no, returning officer no, as original say or be declare election no. Ampa of an microphone. And among no TV see some of an microphone. No can say to me a gun about the mano as returning officer no, or just have 2 men or so. No one declare abano. Mohe no way, obo figures here, nipa mienu yenya. No can say, and I'm okay. Your friend and Najamina on a year returning officer. No say, and I'm to me a gun about the mano. Or just have 2 men or so. A paja, Era Matia Jemensa Cos and Sa, so no beer, while winning the chima south abano. I was therefore. about what the minim and say ye parliamentary election ye declare results no our constituency the see ameno kasai Techiman South your MP elect honorable Martin Ajay Mensa Kosa abasa no and this for the bumbo omukọ abote ko from microphone say omumbra dan no mu ho me aso na me ye me candidate me and bodyguard nti me ye brebre e de ni pie me MP na te yi ye pie no obi pete no ma no to fam na me san pagya no the phones go me nza nsa kan ya phones no go fam na nyame adom na o me de car besia no ho na ebo car ni papa yedu na ewura car bakom fi san microphone no ba ya ma o meku yen na e car no tukoe na de eti na kire ni say video sam sam hu bi o microphone no to abo atwe ayi ye go ehu no TV so o me na soja fo no kokko ade o microphone aka je so meko ntokwa abusiafo nti arawo se me si techimai a eti se ni pa wu no ambi before ye nimu bibia ye candidate wonim ho hwe eye endis mpanimfo omusu ba mmone ne abase boni ene de saade no baaye ade ntina ye kobobo aba mokoye de se amanfo nsore mra polling center collation center omo party chairman ye fa no power ena candidate be yire ena branch bi amese ode bin Laden omo radio station bo e fa na Kina FM omo tena ho ye de saa de nsem koso ama amanfo mo ni se de abato de dede ye bakrom e betra ho ndi saa de no saa tokwa na nkom na soja fo kokko no ena ma arawosem siye ye mabusia ni nyina yakọ ye nuanom ye ma no omo ye mpese satechimai mi amekeze maluso abamprenu ho ntokwa nsiye se benyese bia ye ni mema no bia ke betima ko ntokwa na so ye nyina ye gitum se abato de okwa ada so be woni ana so be lusu uwia na wa gentleman na wa je atum mo wi ndc candidate ya returning officer no baba ona soro ko ho a kopoja table no minim so ye boxer when I keep parliament abano omo organizer koje microphone fee return officer nsem no nipa wo na no mo kokon no da bia mo bia ye ntokwa ne atitrasem enti ye mabusiafo nyina yakọ mo bia betima bone ye betra se ye ma somdwa aba na abrahosem a meka ma Ghana asa mpanimfo so muntie ne se fisa amre no ye se omo do mo nkrofo fifiri boko binim frabo abo omo matechima ye beje da omo kosi embrante no baako why be choose ngo bia wa kan din bia na se hunu so ya bepini bia no boy be bo na nya asem ketwa na no de techima dwam unu se Ghana so nyina ye dwa kese ho na ho omo di tuo na dwam na mai dwabu mo nyina dibrika ba fie ye fra MC o masoja fo ko ho ba na omo dwane ko sisi amene mo kasei ye nya ne ntie se ase edun twatia no ma fra se omo nkrofo ni na ansia o techima ye te se azoka boys edikan ho aboabofo bi edikan ho and the national security minister the defense minister interior minister omo tie ya yesre bio omo masrafo eno so wo techima fi se edu ba bia ombabu ya ba yentimu nyi bio anya hwe no ka ya ba na wo power ye ka tumi ye ka hode asabi ye nyema abusiafo se ye ka tumi ye ka hode a ye nyema ba ya ba wo power nti ye di mraso ti besre na yin kasanche endis for di omo ye no enye fe ye wura mama wadi man so da nka ye hwese nka no obema example papa na se dia wo ye no nkrofo e de amane na eba enenti ye beda mase na ansa na ebepon no ye mese na mase aka ne se ye boye wura omampani na adodankwa kufo ado abaso ye mani tinkwa se Ghana fo asa to aba ma na o se abedi mfie nan bio abema Ghana yakoyanim ye begina kwanya nso na yabo ye aso ye candidate asese ye gina wo ye MP for Techiman South Honorable Martin Ajay Mensa Kosa yenim se obaka yura mampani ho ebeka ba no ho a Ghana ye bedi ye edamase samoba edamase pa.
Have yourself